now turn up.
Welcome back on this sunny day, and we're just outside Marlow. So today we're just getting the stuff out now. Just behind me here we're going to mount a fuse, external IP65 fuse board, a couple of twin sockets and a 16 amp socket for a horse trailer hookup. So we've got the mains just behind this wall. I'll show you in a minute. I just want to show you where we are. So that is the view. Beautiful. Right, so this is the hookup we've got. They've just had new head put in, smart meter, and we've got where we're going to connect our tails into. Strangely enough, we're in the middle of nowhere, and it's a PME head. So we're going to connect the earth in here. The cable's going to go through this hole and into the fuse board. So I'll bring back in a sec. Got the cabling through. So that's ready in here, and then coming round, we've now got the board on the wall. So we've got the tails in. Got two glands in here. One is 16 amp for the horse box, and then this is for a couple of waterproof sockets that are going to go in here. So we're going to wire those now. So BG have just brought out these new style sockets. Rather than having the little screws like these ones I've got, it's a little sort of quarter turn, and it locks off a bit like the whisker boxes. Not a bad idea. So, but the wholesaler's given us one of these, and we're back to the screws on those ones. So yeah, we've connected that one up. I'm gonna put this one on, do that one, and get the light and clip that up there, ready for the floodlight just on top there. So I'll bring you back in a bit. Right, we finished up here now, so we've got everything done. Main boards in, RCBOs are in and done and tested. Sockets are all ready to go. These are the BG sockets. We've used this one. We've used Collingwood light, which is an FO1. So I'll let you know how those go, but it seems quite good. It's 10 watts, it's IP65. That's there, and we've clipped all the cables. The 16 amps ready to go, and then we'll bring you around here, and then there's a connection. So you've got the fuse head, smart meter. That's the isolator they put in. There's our 25mm tails. We've got the earth going in there, so we'll close that up there, and that is another jobbed. So we're just going to take one more look at that glorious view where we are, and then we'll be back. Temperature's now 28 degrees, so we're going to go and get an ice cream, something cold to drink. So we'll catch you next time.